Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. For this video, we're going to look at bombshells. Not necessarily DC bombshells, but we're going to look at literal bombshell figures. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so we're looking at two figures named Bombshell and Bombshell. Okay, so that's why we're calling this a bombshells video. Okay, so for those of you who have watched some of my videos, you know that my favorite DC character is Zatanna, specifically the DC bombshell variant of Zatanna. So that's why we can see her in our Pinoy Heroclix mat. Okay, so for this video, we're going to look into honorary members of our bombshells team. So this is from Spider-Man Venom Carnage set. Okay, so this is Marvel's bombshells actually. So there are two bombshells. I think these are mother and daughter tandem. Okay, so these are villain bombshells. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. This is set number 009. Bombshells is the name with keyword champions, Femizon, Sinister Syndicate, and Ultimates. So real name is Lana Baumgartner. Okay, mother-daughter duo, Force Blast. If bombshell is within 3 squares of number 25, so which is bombshell, she can use pulse wave and has protected pulse wave. So that's a great trait. And special movement, riding shockwaves, running shot. When bombshell knocks back one or more characters after resolutions, bombshell may use up to X squares, where X is the highest number of squares a character was knocked back during the action. Okay, so that can be a very interesting activity because she has Force Blast, so meaning she can running shot and then knock back and then move away. So that's really neat. Okay, and she has the team ability Ultimates, improved movement hindering, that doesn't matter anymore, improved targeting hindering, so that's important. Okay, and energy explosion, what part of bombshell didn't you understand? Okay, I love that flavor text. So she seems to be a Spider-Man villain, Sinister Syndicate. So 8-10 attack, 2 damage per plex, so you would probably use her as a pulse wave figure, especially if you're using him together with her mother. Okay, so 40 points, yeah, so can be one shot, so you have to be very careful using her. But let's take a look at her mom. I imagine this is the mom because it's uncommon. Okay, so meaning more experienced. Set number 25 only has the Sinister Syndicate keywords. Okay, that's a bit unfortunate. They should have had more. They should have the same keywords. Anyway, so real name is Lori Baumgartner. So yet another Sinister 6. Adjacent friendly characters with the Sinister 6 Syndicate keyword modify range +2. Oh, so she supports her daughter. Okay, the daughter becomes 7 range when they are adjacent. Okay, mother-daughter duo, Force Blast, and if bombshell is within 3 squares of her daughter, she can use pulse wave also and has protected pulse wave. Okay, and they have the same riding shockwaves, special movement power. Okay, let's take a look at the flavor text. Where are the bombshells? So we are the bombshells. time to make a name for ourselves. So I think they did some villain things, especially like money heist. Okay, but obviously they've been spoiled by Spider-Man, and I think Human Torch as well. Okay, so Spider-Man and his amazing friends. Pinpoint explosions, precision strike. Okay, your ears ringing. Okay. Okay, and she has the Sinister Syndicate ability. When this character makes an attack, you may replace its value with the printed attack value of an adjacent friendly character that can use this team ability. Unfortunately, her daughter has a different team ability. So let's take a look at her card. Also Perflex top dial. So 60 points, 5 clicks, a little bit longer. And willpower, but that special movement and energy explosions. Ultimate Spider-Man year 2000 is the significant appearance. So, but this seems to be the daughter because of the longer hair. Okay, so overall, quite interesting. Okay, I haven't really built a team around them. Okay, I just wanted to get them as honorary members of my DC bombshells. Okay, from another universe. Let's take a look at the sculpt. Okay, so they have their knee pads. Okay, and the cape is nice. It's flowy. So they have the same sculpt. I'm not so familiar with their powers, but it seems like they generate their explosions in their hands. Okay, so they have what you call this, power projection. Okay, and do they look the same, mother daughter? So the daughter hides her face behind a mask, and the mom is just not giving any shit about it. Okay, so there you go. They somewhat look alike. Okay, mom is shorter hair. Okay, at the back. Okay, so I really like concepts like this. Okay, meaning connected characters. Okay, because especially when building teams. Okay, so knowing that this is a mother-daughter duo. Okay, so this will be a very a great team for, let's say, some tournaments might need to have like a Mother's Day tournament. Okay, so this can fit that format. I know sometimes we have tournaments wherein characters need to be related. Okay, so they definitely fit that bill also. Okay, but I was hoping for a little more a little more power, especially on the defense side. Okay, because their defense is they have no reducers. That's the big problem. They only have willpower and energy shield deflection. And again, in today's standards, this can be one shot. This can also be one shot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can survive a little, but this is definitely going to be one shot. But anyway, here they are, bombshells. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep safe, everyone.